guys, welcome to Gardening with Friends. It's really hot and humid here. It's mid-July, but it's still beautiful time of the year. Everything is bursting in color and blooming. I wanted to show you beautiful Bobo Hydrangea Hedge I planted last year in the midst of the hot July. And it's doing wonderful.
And of course Marcus is here to check on Hydrangea Hedge he helped to plant last summer. Hey Marcus! Remember how we planted 16 bushes last summer? We got them on sale. Most of the shrubs were from proven winners, and the few I got were from another grower. All hydrangeas survived and look beautiful this year. I'm really happy how this turned out. Look how beautiful that is. And when the sun comes out and hits it, it just shines. Bobo is a compact cultivar that originated in Belgium in 2003. It typically grows in an upright rounded mound to only 2 to 3 feet tall and to 3 to 4 feet wide, which makes it perfect choice for this space above retaining wall. Bobo can be compared to pufferfish hydrangea, is a new cultivar bred at North Carolina State University. It was introduced to the garden market by proven winners shrubs in 2023. Pufferfish Panicle Hydrangea is a larger, more puffed up Bobo with fluffy white blooms that engulf the entire plant, nearly obscuring the foliage. I love Bobo Hydrangea, and I wish I had some experience with pufferfish hydrangea. I hope you guys do and can share some experience with me. Bobo Hydrangea Hedge I planted in the midst of hot summer last year came up really beyond expectations. I'm very happy with it. And hope you guys liked it too.